Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy Workshop channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential steps in silver accessories making, drying your silver accessories properly. If your accessories aren't fully dry before firing, they could crack, and that's definitely something we want to avoid. So, let's break down the best drying methods, how to use them, and their pros and cons. 1. Mug warmer, a gentle heat option. Simply place your silver accessory on a heat-resistant surface. If your clay is too wet, you can add parchment paper to prevent it from sticking to the surface. The gentle heat will help dry your accessory evenly without causing cracks. Pros: it provides soft, even heat, which helps reduce the risk of cracking. Cons: it's slower than other methods, and some warmers may not get hot enough to dry the accessory quickly. Let's talk about air drying, the slow and steady method. This one's super simple. All you need to do is leave your silver accessory to dry naturally in a well-ventilated area. No fancy tools required. Pros: it's a safe option with no risk of overheating, and you don't need any special equipment. Cons: it takes the longest time to dry, and if the air is humid, it could slow down the drying process even more. If you're looking for something faster, try the toaster oven. For this method, set your toaster oven to around 100 degrees Celsius (212 degrees Fahrenheit), and place the accessory inside. The consistent heat will dry the accessory much faster. Pros: it dries quickly with consistent heat. Cons: you have to be careful with the temperature. Too much heat can cause cracks, so it's important to monitor it closely. Finally, we have the hair dryer. This one is great if you're in a rush. Just set your hair dryer to low heat and keep it moving around the accessory to avoid overheating. Pros: it's faster than air drying, portable, and easy to use. Cons: you need to be careful, as it can cause uneven drying or even warping if not handled properly. Plus, it takes some patience to keep it moving around the accessory. For smaller accessories, they may get blown away easily, so you'll need to be extra cautious. So, which drying method is best for you? Well, each method has its pros and cons, and the right choice really depends on what you're looking for. For beginners, I'd recommend starting with the mug warmer or air drying. They're safer, though they might take a bit longer. If speed is a priority, the toaster oven is a great choice. Just make sure to keep an eye on it to avoid overheating. And if you're in a rush, the hair dryer can do the job quickly. But remember, it takes some patience and careful handling to get an even result. Choose the method that works best for you, based on your available tools and the time you have. Before moving on to the next step, here's a quick way to check if your silver clay is fully dry. Simply place it on your phone screen, with the screen turned off, or on a mirror. If you see a slight fogging on the glass, that means there's still some moisture left. This easy trick helps ensure your piece is completely dry and ready for firing. I hope this guide helps you choose the best drying method for your silver accessories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more crafting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!